how's it going? This is Aaron from PCH Custom Audio, Online Car Stereo. We got this brand new 2025 BMW 2 Series. And what are we gonna be doing in here? Our favorite brand, Musway Audio. So we're doing the Musway plug and play BMW speakers. So we got replacement 8-inch under the seat. We got our 4-inch coax for the rear speakers and a 4-inch two-way for the front. That's all going to be ran accurate off the so we're going to take a look inside the BMW with the new Musway plug and play BMW speakers. Let's go turn it up and see what it sounds like. So this is all hooked up to the factory radio. As you can see, it's loud and clear and doesn't clip.
That ass back like a boom, 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 boom.